for this. Harsh, you can start now.
Okay. Hello, Professor. This is our presentation, and it would be presented by myself, Harsh Kumar, Vishal, and Gurmeher. Let's begin with the introduction. What was the purpose and the scope of the project? In this case, the use of LMS is meant to provide solutions to the various resources that are in the library, such as books, the people who borrow, and other related services. The second was the overview of the system, which is Bookhive systems have been the basic structure of a of an academic library. These have the third is objectives of the database design product. This paper's main goal is to propose an efficient and highly available database solution which fit to handle the large quantities of data. Moving on to the next slide, what were the requirement analysis? The first is data requirements, books. In the context of a book record, each book record must have basic elements. The second is functional requirements, which is book search and filtering. Both users and the staff must be able to access the books using title, author, and category. The next slide is the third point is non-functional requirements, which is scalability. The system must be able to manage a large number of books at an increasing number of users in the future. Hence, stability of the system must be considered. The fourth is user requirements, admin, full access to manage all users, books, and transactions. Library staff, limited access to manage book checkouts, returns, and fines. The fifth is system constraints to make the system reliable and maintain its scalability. The next slide is entity definitions and attributes, which is books, users, transactions. Third point is relationship definitions, and Gurmeer will be taking us forward.
Hi, I'm Gurmeher and I'm going to present database design. The first one is overview of the database design. The database is created for the library management system and its main purpose are to manage books, members, staff intersection, and book categories. It organizes the data into 6 main entities. The second one is table identifiers and attributes. The books table contains the names of books in a library, others types of books, number and years. The second slide is the borrowing and returning activities by the numbers are recorded in the transaction table. It contains some of the fields like transaction ID, number ID, book ID, issue data, and due date. The second one is in the categories. The relationship between books and categories is denoted by the book categories table. In relates record in the books table with the chants in the categories and keep consistency by using foreign keys to book and categories. The and data types and domains. Books types while title and others and the intersection data type of choose for years published and copies available. The second one is membership table and the third one is staff table. And the second slide is overview of the user interface design. The user interface in Bookshive systems has been easy to use as well as efficient to provide identified users with and efficient user forms and screens. Admin panel. The second slide is choose database management system. The database is implemented using SQL since of it is one of the most popular relational database management system. The second one is database schema. The database schema consists
Thank you, Guru.
popular database.
I start with the populate database, the population of the books table containing titles, authors, ISBN, year of publication, and number of copies. It illustrated in the figure. The second point is testing database. The figure shows a query of all records from the books table, checking that data has been inserted correctly. The above figure shows all records from the category table, checking the genres has been inserted correctly. In the conclusion and recommendation, summary of the database design project. Library management system database is successfully designed and implementing MySQL to effectively manage books, member staff, transaction, and book categories. 6 normalized table ensure data and retail efficiency. Achievements and challenges. The project attained the objectives of strong data structure, accurate loading of data, and checking the functional with heavy SQL queries. The main object in the referential integrity between tables as well as dealing with many relationships. Recommendation for future improvements and enhancement. Future improvement might include features like real-time notification for books, role-based access control, and mobile-friendly interface for members. Addition data analytics that track library trend and user behavior must improve performance and usability. Reference list like John C. Data Warehouse Advanced Development with Kubernetes enabling data management, Internet of Things, blockchain and machine learning. Thank you.
Thank you.